Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. More headaches with the peugeot. This peugeot is my friend cars and bring here. Last time I did replace the battery and test, and then for one day battery went flat again. That means the battery, I replaced the battery and it's still flat. And what happened is this car, the alternator, it's had a problem, like it's not charging in enough voltage, so the voltage drops. For undo this one, the alternator for this car need a new bottles, and I don't know where to do this one first, because air conditioning underneath and alternator in the middle. Avoid the way the bloody exhaust there. In the worst case scenario, I have to take up the power steering pumps on the top here and try to lift it and remove this way and take the an alternator out for reconditioning. To be honest, where do we get the bolt out for the power steering pump? That will be another question, because there I only see one Allen key that go in here, and how many bolts is holding I never know, because it's covered like this. I've been looking 2 hours yesterday and I can't see the reason why. I cannot see the data bolt that holding to control the power steering pump in here. That's what I say, why. Okay, yeah, seriously, I don't know why I can't enter my hand in. It's very terrible. For everyone who have a European car, this is very important. Okay, once you broke in this house, maybe it will cost your arm and leg to buy this one from the European design, or from where, I don't know. Okay, that's all you name it, I don't know. And look at the shit design, this nozzle, the valves for the air conditioning. What the hell, what the shit design. And here the box, maybe we have to take up the bolt here. Now I suck all the power steering fluid out first before we can talk, because when we release that, the oil go everywhere. I don't give a shit. And take all the bolt number 10, and I hope I can move this bottle away so I can see more hand on the underneath. Hopefully I do the right way. Number 13. Okay, we need number 13 to go the bottom ones. One the bottom, one behind here, if you can see, bottom one, and maybe one Allen key there. Hopefully it's work. Very hard to see because the bolt and everything on the way, but I try to put my hand here for number 13 underneath here, behind one of these. Now we have to roll the wheel, see if we can see it. Nothing there. Where's the other one? One. Okay, one more down here, one more down here. So the one more. So there's two of them. Okay, one on this end and one more down here. Where is it? Here we go. Okay, done. So that means 2 bolts and one the back one. The power input here. Ridiculous design. What the hell? Tricky, boy. You don't pick this one up, you would never know there's the number 1 for number 13 in going here for the main wire. So we can undo the flux. Bloody hell. Take one of the, we may have to take one of the pulley there to get out, so we can get avoid 2 number 14 there. Snap up the cover for the plastic, and you can see the number 16 go underneath here. See this one? Take up. And 17, they all use all numbers, so put in one side like that. This one still sound right, and one here and one bottom. Okay, put my beautiful hand in here with this one. That's it, that's it. Okay, bottom ones go underneath. No hair where I can put my hand in the bolt. Have to be lazy job, but I can't. Have to do something very stupid. Remove the cover so I can have more hand to do that shit. Ridiculous, so ridiculous. Just go through here, straight up, sneak him out. Don't let it touch the radiator. Behind here we expect to get the radiator removed sooner or later. if you have no hand, the best way is remove the radiator and remove that cover, and you can sneak your hand in there, but my hand I can still sneak on. Okay, do it turn by turn. From here I can get them out, I can put them back on. Okay, so stupid design. For someone else, I expect to get the radiator removed and remove this one, and you can have more hand underneath the bloody cover here. And to put on it easy, to slide in slowly. How you get back out, how you get back in. Do that. This is the motherfucker. Later we slide on the back one. Okay. For everyone else, do what I say. Okay. So let out the tools. So this is the main one. Get out and get this one, and you can move it. See, very light up and down, but need to headache and more headaches. One more sneak underneath here, and it's again it's on the very tight location. Happy to put back out together like this one by one. Okay, very sneaky. And if you don't know this one, it will took you 2 days or 2 years to undo this one. It's very tricky and very dirty. Play very dirty games. If anyone thinks it's easy, I give them $300 for labor. Just for labor to undo this one and put it back for me, I give them $300. No question. Come here, I give you $300 to do this for me. Okay. See, I wish you can see. Sorry man, it's really dark. And then now here it's moving. See, now I have to do is try to tilt it out which way to get them out, and the flux is come out too. Swing out from here, and remember how you get it back out, how you get back in. Okay, go like this on the sideway. So remember, go the sideway like this, sideway. Okay, sideway. See, sideway like this to get out, in and out like this. Okay, so now we bring to the place and get reconditioning. Okay, sneaky, tricky, but I'm winning. Oh shit, this car is very difficult, and first time I do this one, and I don't know, to be honest. Shit, be honest, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. So we take for reconditioning. Mainly they replace the whole stator unit control here. You see control motor, and then put it back like brand new. For this one, if you go and buy a new one, you are stupid. Okay, just go and grab for reconditioning one. Okay, reconditioning look like brand banking new. Like I said to you, all they do is just changing the bloody regular voltage here, the built-in. We cannot do anything, just buy one and put one on, or maybe 1 or 2, 3 bolts, and the brushes push it out, and done. Again, anyway, headache and headache. Now still headaches because we have to put it back on. How do you get out? How do you get in? Okay, how do you get it out? How to get it in? Sneaky and tricky, we got them in. Okay, we line this one in the back one, and both top one, and then you can line everything on, and the bottom one, the last one, is the basement one. So should be easy now. You can close your eyes and do it to put them back on. So now it's done. What I do is put the cable for the earth, for the positive, put them on. For the reason it's done 100 something thousand K, because it's here near the exhaust, it's hot, and the regulator failed. That's the simple, very simple answer. Everyone should know that. Okay, and put the bolt in and the plug on, and we put the power steering pump back on. It's a little bit difficult for you if you don't know how to take it off from beginning, like me, stupid idiot. If we can take one out and then you to put back on, it's much easy because we already know how to put it on and how which way to go with, and much easy. Okay, and this one here, pretty good news, done. What I do is the pulleys, put the pulley back and then set up the belt bracket behind so it can holding the cable, the power steering return and pressure hose. Go down the bottom here. Put this one here, and we join the bottom one on itself like that. Line them up here, and this one go in, this one go in like that, but this one go in, this one go in. What we do is tight the belt tensioner, and then we can go behind this one. You see, so we go behind this one. So bit difficult, Bit difficult, but try, okay? Try, brother. We never try, we never know. Okay, like that. And then how I do is this one here. I got this one inside still. So I do is slide this one in like that. And this is how it is. And it sits perfect. You see, it sits perfect like that. And you can see I let go. And it's untensioned. So this one go underneath here. Put all this one on. Put all this one on. And slide in the flash groovy pulleys here. I just put back on and slide in behind here. It's good go. When you take it up, go here, roll it down, and take it off from here too. You take it here, the groovy high, you can't get it out. Just go like that, and then I go the greaser or put some grease because it's got a little rubber here. And then we can put some power steering water oil, and then we start it up and we test the output of the bearings. Spray the greaser. Don't worry how many you put in, but it will give you very easy putting. See, no worry about it. Don't breaking anything, okay? One more mention, do not break anything. It's all plastic. Okay, almost done. Now we start to pack up and put this one back in where the pulley for the tensioner in there. Yep, it should be going back in there, and then good. Okay, we try to start it up, see how it goes. And we let the oil cap open so we can check the oil water for the oil power steering. And the water will go down more because I've been released and water come out. And I try to put on and start it. If it's reading over 13.4, it's good. And it keep going up, it's good. No. Okay, let's see it charging. See, we go. Now it's been low rep. Now I put my foot on and it start turn, and it should be 14 volt. See, 13 go up to 14, go down, wrap it up to 14.04, go down. See, go down, go up and down, up and down. It's good. It's good. So leave it on like that for a while. Let it charging and see how long it lasts. I don't know. Okay. And this is very hard and very difficult for repair. For me, guys. For me, be honest, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I never do this one before, but it's way over design. It's way too much, and we really don't need something, and very hard to get it out. For me, to take it off and put back on, first time I never know. It took me 2 hours. Oh, sorry, 4 hours. But for someone else, maybe 1 hour. Take it off, put it back in, maybe 1 hour. For me, I need 4 hours at least. Even now, I take it off again. At least I need 3 hours. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching Simon Tools, and alternator been replaced, brand banking new. How long it lasts for, I don't know. And I check the oil again, see the oil from the power steering go down, and put in some more. And water, I think it should be full, and expect to let him know the water is on low level. So on the bottle it cracked, broken. He said it leaked somewhere, I don't know. But I say better replace the new bottle right away before you fuck up your engine.